Hello guys, message 4. Welcome back to a story tribulations. So today we're gonna start the first trial of the third case, so that we can try to save Maggie again from a guilty verdict. In the hope that it will not be some kind of strange mess on while doing that. For example, strange testimony or something like that. But anyway, let's continue the game and let's do the trial. January 7, 9 a.m. District Court, defendant number 1. Oh, I see. I guess I should have expected this. As I Phoenix told her about the situation. Nobody saw the other guy, huh? But he was there when I took the coffee over, sir. Scott's honor. And I believe Maggie, but it seems like there is something strange about all this thing. Maggie! Oh, Gumshoe, hi. Ah, this is the Gumshoe. Are you doing alright? How are you feeling? Of course you get worried. As if you need to ask a question, sir. Yeah, fair enough. So let me get you down, Maggie. And don't forget to eat well, okay? Roger. And you? Yes? You better square this case away, got the pal? Maggie isn't innocent here. If you scrap it, then I'll be doing some squaring away myself. And I don't want to know where it is. Scribble some paperwork for your arrest. I'll direct it, okay? I think it's serious. When it's Maggie, it's pretty serious about the situation. Either Gumshoe, you're on the side for once, right? Well, that is about Maggie, so of course it's on our side. Yep. Right. So you'll be able to help Maggie out, right? Really? Can you, sir? Oh, of course. I've got the situation under control. If you say so. I'm gonna be the first witness on the stand today. Okay. If something I said doesn't mess with the facts, make sure you point out, right? Alright? Sure. Okay, you're forming until front of today, pal. You get me? Okay, I'm sure. Can tell you how grateful I am, sir. I was never used so much, detective. It may be more than that, but who knows? I know I can count on you. Looks like it shall go pretty smoothly today, huh? In theory, yes, but we have to see about that. I can only wish. Yeah, fair enough. Especially knowing how these cases are. During 7 and 10 a.m., District Court, Court number 4. Court is now in session for the trial of Maggie Bird. For the second time. The defense is ready, Your Honor. I got that. Ah, Peter. Okay. Mr. Wright? Yes, Your Honor. Ah! What's wrong? Yeah, what's with the screaming? Nothing, just when we addressed you in the previous trailer, your response was, you took it to me? Yeah, that was a fake one, Your Honor. It was a little, well, intimidating. Again, it was a fake. No, that wasn't me. That was the phony Phoenix. I see. So our trusty Phoenix Rat is back with us now, right? You see? What is supposed to mean? Or trusty? Don't ask. So, Mr. Godot, your opening statement, please. Mr. Threat, whether you're fake or the real deal, we will find out soon enough through this shot today. But I can already tell you, I'm the real Phoenix, right? I wasn't questioning whether you are Phoenix, right or not. I was questioning wherever you had studied law or not. Ah, okay, got it. That's what I intended to find out. Mm-hmm. There is no denying it. Behind that mask is a man who really hates me for some reason or another. Mm-hmm. Yeah, maybe we found out about this in the last case of this game, but who knows? Maybe we found it out about why he hates Phoenix or not. As everyone is aware, the court was already given its verdict on this case once. Yes, we know that, Your Honor. Therefore, I won't stand for irrelevant testimony during this trial. I guess that's kinda fair. For not to prolong this trial long enough, I suppose. Now will stand for a simple repetition of the evidence presented in the last trial. I'm not planning or repeating anything that Fonny me said, trust me. All that is for sure. Now then, Mr. Grott, please summon your first witness. Alright, let's start this. Gamshoe, please don't let us down. Let's start with the formalities, shall we? Name and occupation. Witness, stand your name for the court. Huh? Oh, sorry, sir. The name is Police Department Detective. Occupation, Dick Gumshoe. I think you can reverse the thing, Gumshoe. The other way around, Detective. Yeah, exactly. Huh? Oh, sorry. Anyway, I'm the officer in charge of this case since yesterday, sir. Since yesterday? Yeah, the guy who was on the internal investigation tied up with another case now. Okay. The program surely got everything under control, for everyone's sake. Yeah, I hope so too. I see, so the Gumshoe. Would you guide us for the court the basic fact of the case? Yes, sir. The victim's name was Glenn Elg. He was a professional programmer. He was on the payroll of Blue Screen Inc., a local company. Blue Screen? Okay. I will not ask for the name, but okay. This is the victim's autopsy report. Okay, thank you very much. The court accepted this into evidence. Someone dead between 1:30 and 2:30. Okay then. And here in the floor plans of the restaurant. Oh, the floor plans, nice. When the incident took place, the victim was sitting right here. The poisoned coffee was brought over to him by the waitress, aka Maggie, from what I understand. So, the waitress being the accused. Yeah. The victim died from poisoning almost immediately after he took a sip of the coffee. He died immediately, huh? Okay then. Must be a strong poison then. At the time of the incident, there were two other people in the restaurant. Suppose the witness and the chef, besides there were two people in there too. Mr. Jane Armstrong, the owner of the and chef, of course. And a regular by the name of Mr. Victor Cole, the witness of this case. It seems to be a very straightforward case to me. Okay, we have the 4 plans of the Trevian. Cool. Will be useful for us later. Come, detective. Take up this hammer. Hammer? In here, the defense coffee just shut with your own 2 hands. Ah, okay. It was a metaphor, okay. I didn't get that at first, but now I get it. Now then, Detective Gumshoe, let's view a testimony. Yes, sir. Okay, Gumshoe, please don't screw this up. Alright, the incident. Let's see about your testimony, shall we, Gumshoe? When the incident took place, the victim was alone at the stable, sir. We understand that the guy, Glenn Elg, was listening to the radio at the time. Tissue of poisoning were found in his coffee cup. And what we found was the poison cinnamon. The stuff really picks a punch. Potassium cyanide, okay. And it looks like Miss Bird may have had, well, some kind of motive. But we still don't know what is this motive of hers, so this will be a point that we need to push hard. Using the dark aromatic depth of coffee to conceal the poison. Classy lady. As you say, Dot. The facts of this case seem to be inoculate. Mr. Wright, I would ask you to begin your cross-examination, but... Yes? Please no intimidation tricks this time around. Is that understood? I already told you, that wasn't me. Yeah, poor Phoenix. Alright, cross-examination. Let's do this. Can I stop you just for a minute? What is it? Did you say something that contradicted evidence? It's desperate for that to be true. He's practically crying. Yeah, I forgot, I'm true. The testimony just now doesn't match the testimony given by Miss Bird. She consulted that there were another man at the victim's table. Yeah, that was what she said, and I... Objection! What killer won't say that when faced with a homicide convicting? Hey! Sadly, your testimony isn't supported by the owner or the customer. Isn't that right, the gumshoe? Yeah, it's true. There are two testimony tied up on that. They both said that there was no other guy at the table. Shit. What should I do? Should I press on this point a little harder or not? Well, so we need to know more about this case. I'd say to push this topic a bit forward for see if there is more that can come out from it. Well, maybe the other witness just missed him. Perhaps the review of the victim table was obscured in some way. Ha! The argument is as weak as the coffee at the tribulations, right? And what is supposed to mean? I would here in my position a ticket. A ticket? Looks more like a photo to me. Yeah. Yes, and I want way ticket to guilty one. Publication the defendant. Oh, okay. This is a photograph taken from near the entrance to the kitchen. This is the scene as witnessed by the chief, a moment after the poisoner took place, correct? I think the court will agree that with such a clear view of the scene of the crime. How Mr. Third could anyone ever overlook a second person at the table? Shit. Ugh. It certainly seems to show the victim's table extremely clearly. Yeah, unfortunately for us, but yeah, we have more evidence, so that's good in a way, I guess. He was listening to his radio, you say? Yeah, he had a portable radio in his chest pocket. Megan told us that too, didn't she? Yes, I remember that she mentioned something like that. Something about how one of them had some sort of earpiece. What should I do? Should I press on this point a little harder or not? Again, we need more tea. things for this case. So yes, let's press harder this piece a little bit. And what was it that the victim was listening on the radio, that gumshoe? Huh? How should I know? Thanks a lot. We are now one step closer to the middle of nowhere. Isn't going very well, is it? Yeah, kinda. The gumshoe, could you perhaps tell us about the person and how he was who said? So this the poison were found in the coffee cup and nowhere else? Not sure I get you, pal. Was the poison a liquid or was it a powder? If I had to put in all these terms, I'd say it was a powder substance. So the poison could have been anything that was on the table: sugar, salt, paper. Why paper?
Objection!
Ha! Did you put salt and pepper in your coffee, right? The victim took his coffee black, with no sugar. Okay. Gah. It seems that the poison could only have been in the coffee. Seems like so. What should I do? Should I press this button a little harder or not? Again, yes, let's press harder on this thing. Are you absolutely sure that the victim even drank any of his coffee? Huh? What do you mean? According to this file, the poison was found in the victim's coffee cup. But what proof is there that the victim ever drank any of it? Oh hey, you're right! That's what I was thinking.
Objection!
In case you were wondering, the last objection was for the detective there. Why? Huh? For me? Oh, hey, you're right. You mean it before in the court, but you're not falling for it. If you have the time to waste, you have the time to present that piece of evidence. Piece of evidence? That piece, sir? Yes, that piece. What pizza was again? This. A coffee in the head of Phoenix. I should be grateful this coffee only hot enough to give me one and create burns. I don't know, Phoenix. Oh, now I remember. This is the victim's coffee cup. Fuck. Yes, the victim's cup. Take a good look at the rim. Oh yes, it's unmistakable. There is a clear coffee stain on it. So the victim drank the coffee. Conclusively proof that the victims did drink the poison coffee that was in this cup. The victim gulped down the bitter dirt that was waitress brought to him. Like this. Maybe not that, but okay. For the record, the only prints on the cup were the victims and the defendants. Okay. We have also this to the evidence, right? And before the investigation in this cup, we found that cinnamon substance. Potassium cinnamon? Have you heard of that cinnamon before? Sorry, but well, I don't know how to pronounce it, so... Exactly how strong is this poison that the gumshoe? It's, well, the stuff is lethal. It's too much in your history. How much is too much? No idea. A lethal dose is 0.1 grams. That's about enough to finish anyone off. Jesus, how much left is this thing? 0.1 gram? How much is that? Whenever you swap your hairs for hair wax? Yeah, about that much. Okay, Gumshoe. Hair wax, huh? Sounds like some of the Gumshoes not got the bounce off. Such a small quantity of poison could have been considered anywhere. Some kind of motive? Yeah, but if you ask me, it's been a blown way off of productions.
Objection!
You know what a golden rule is, detective? Check out a better cup of coffee. You can always get another. Eh? I don't get it. Me either. And saying we can always get another witness on the stand if we ever to check out you out. Goop. Stick to the facts, detective. Now then, what was Miss Bird's motive? Come on, Gumshoe. She was, they said she wanted to steal a lottery ticket. Knew it. I knew it. That's what we heard that yesterday too. He disappeared from the scene of the crime. And it wasn't just any lottery ticket. It was a winning ticket for $500,000. Mr. Armstrong knew about the ticket too, didn't he? Yeah, but he saw the wrong one. But he saw the wrong one. Yeah. Then it's possible that Maggie saw the winning one? I don't see doubt it. What should I do? Should I press on this point a little harder or not? I say yes. Let's press this point a bit harder. Wait a minute. The mere fact that the lottery ticket disappeared is in no way implicates my client. Ha! I have here in my hands the very ticket in question. Fuck! So that's all for $1 million lottery ticket? Well, the female police officer found it when she was conducting a search, conducting a search of the defendant. Fuck, so she found it on Maggie. Shit. But what? Order. Ha. She's quite a lucky bird, or little waitress. You will submit that ticket as evidence at the court, immediately. I'll better keep an eye on that ticket. The way the judge voice is quivering. Yeah. Pretty much sure you will see it when no one is looking, so better take that ticket very close to us. The ticket was presented to the court in the previous trial too. But it feels heavier now somehow. $500,000, you say? It's just a scrap of paper. Ma me see where it was found, Your Honor. It was Maggie. And that's on Maggie's persona, eventually. That's enough. The facts of this case seems overwhelmingly clear to me. The defendant had a plea opportunity to commit the crime of which she is charged. Furthermore, it seems beyond reasonable doubt that she didn't commit the crime. I like an old man who knows the score. I don't. There is also the matter of the $500,000 lottery ticket. That alone proves a very credible motive. I mean, for that sum of money, even I may have been tempted to bend the rules. But so yes, I can see that, Judge. I don't mind an old man who is weak to desire alcohol of money. Not good, Nick. The evidence against Maggie is ready to pile up fast. Yeah, that's because the court are ruled guilty once already. I'll say it's about time to wrap up this repeat performance. We need one fan decides a piece of evidence. Oh no. Is gonna move against Maggie? Apparently so. But I guess we will see more and what is this evidence next episode, and we'll see what happened. So I guess until then, I'll see you next time.